Hello, class. All right, so this is your final assignment. So what I'd like you to do is get a chance to work with connecting to a remote uh, database instance. So in this case, I've given you my credentials for the Cosmos DB, so you can just use that if you want. But if you want to use another online database service, that's up to you. But the key is that you're going to have to save your JSON data in a remote location. You can't store it locally on the device. That's the whole point of this, is that you would have multiple apps on multiple devices and they would be pinging a server somewhere, and that's where they're getting their information from, right? So the rest of the app I've decided to make as simple as possible, hopefully, right, while still being kind of a final assignment. So you can definitely use the week 11 Cosmos DB example as a template, and you can kind of work from it. But it would be beneficial for you to start a project from scratch and kind of build it up from the base. Call it vacation rental or something similar, and then bring in items as you need them so that you really understand how they all work, how the service ties in with the vacation rental item manager, and then the model as well that you create, right? So your model should hold a bunch of information. It should hold information for an image, a name, whether it's available or not, the cost per day, how many people it sleeps, and then a description as well. And then you're going to modify your list view so that it nicely displays all that data, right? If you're modifying a rental, right, you notice that we have this available on some and not on others. So the way that you can change that is by modifying your toggle, which again was part of that example from week 11. So you can take a look at that, how that might work. And then once I save it, that available pops off, right? So you're going to have to figure out how to bind that properly, but I think you should be able to do it if you look at the example. And yeah, if you add a new rental, what you're going to have to do is, do a name of some kind, right? You can give a description of this. This is only for the toughest of travelers. We'll give it a price per day, right? Let's say it's 87 because it's rugged. We're going to say this one sleeps 4. And then you're going to have to include a picture of some kind. So now, for me, I have actually stored these pictures in my blob storage. You could also access them that way if you have the blob storage or you want to upload them to the blob storage. Again, you could do that using the example application from week 11, part A. And you can upload pictures that way. But you can also just put these pictures up anywhere, right? On GitHub, anywhere where it will allow you to create a link to them, right? And once you have the ability to create a link, or you just take them from a source that you can paste in that link. So you notice that I'm here. Show you. I'm linking in these images through that blob storage, right? MDEV 1001 winter. Yeah, and I'm going to make this available, and then I'm going to save it. And then it should be at the bottom of my listing. Ta-da, there it is. Anyways, so that's how it should function and how it should work. You should be able to edit things that you've already got. You should be able to delete things if you want to delete them. And yeah, I think the key is that you are saving your information, as I said before, on a server, not locally within your device. So yeah, that's the final assignment for the course. Given our shortened semester, and hopefully you are able to do this. Yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or post questions on the forum, which is on Blackboard. Thank you and good luck.